I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure your iPhone is signed into or ready to sign into the Apple ID you intend to use. Once done, confirm the watch is charged and your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Now open the watch app, tap All Watches, then the info button for the watch and choose Unpair. That action starts the transfer. It also triggers a local backup on your iPhone so you can restore settings after changing accounts. When the unpair begins, you will be prompted to enter the existing Apple ID password so activation lock is removed. Do this now because it's required. Then allow the watch to erase and let your iPhone complete its automatic backup. Do not interrupt the process. Once the watch is erased and backed up, sign out of the old Apple ID on the iPhone if you didn't earlier, and sign in with the new Apple ID so the watch can be paired to that account in the next step. Now pair the Apple Watch to your iPhone again. When prompted, choose Restore from Backup to recover settings and complications, or Set up as new if you prefer a clean start. Make sure iCloud, Apple Pay, health data, and any cellular plan show the new Apple ID. Finally, test syncing and app behavior. If activation lock still appears, go to iCloud.com to remove the device or contact Apple support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.